my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Okay, loves. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you stopped by. I am Diva Decorating, and today I am extending an open invite collaboration. And I'm reading from my notes here, guys, so please forgive me if I'm looking down. So it's being hosted by me, and I have two lovely co-hosts by the name of Elegantly Designed by B and Rose Z at Home. Okay, guys, so if you don't know these two ladies, please go over and check out their channels. They are beautiful and they have wonderful content on their channels that I'm sure that you will enjoy. Okay, so the title of this video will be Breakfast at Tiffany's Tablescape 2020. So for this tablescape, the rules and the details are as follows, okay? Please make sure that you use YouTube etiquette. Number one, you must be subscribed to all the hosts and the co-host channel. Number two, mention the host and the co-host in your video and add their channel links and playlists in your description box. Number three, create a Breakfast at Tiffany's Tablescape theme. Your design is totally up to you. Food is not required, but you can add it if you want to. Now, there is a twist to this, okay? If you know me, guys, you know I like to have a twist, okay? So, the twist for this tablescape is you are to display a Tiffany blue eggshell box, sunglasses, or pearls, or you can display all three. Now, these are some of the items that are from the classic movie, okay? So that's why we're gonna incorporate this into our tablescape, okay? Now, don't go out and try to find a Tiffany box. Don't try to order one. Guys, you can DIY a box very easily. You can just, grab one of your little, maybe your Christmas boxes that you have left over from Christmas that you're not using. Throw some paint on it or spray paint it the eggshell blue color. Slap a ribbon on it and call it a day. You have a Tiffany's box, okay? So no worries there, okay? Now, number four, again, title your video, Breakfast at Tiffany's Tablescape 2020. Number five, use the hashtag New York Style, okay? Again, that's hashtag New York Style, okay? Number six, upload your video on Friday, August the 28th, 2020 at 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Number seven, add your video to the playlist. You can come back to this invite video and I will have a playlist link available for you. But please do not upload your video until the upload time, okay? Number eight, just have some glimmer and shimmer fun, okay? So guys, that is the rules and that's the details for this tablescape. I hope you guys will join us in creating your tablescape and give us some ideas and some inspiration and share that with us, okay? And guys, I hope to see you at Breakfast at Tiffany's. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye, my love.